Okay, folks, wrapping blinds and shutters here. We're just going to show you how to correct a blind, a vertical blind, that won't turn properly. So sometimes people will call in and say that my vertical slats won't turn. And when in fact there's nothing broken with the blind, it's just a matter of alignment. So Eric, if you can show us what's wrong with this one.
Okay, well, first of all, we're going to try to open this. And as you can see here, there's a couple of slats that are stuck.
Got it.
And what's going on is not every vane is facing the same direction. So what we need to do to correct this issue is make sure that this one is pushed behind there. And as you can see now, we should be able to open and close this with no issues.
Gotcha. Right. So what would happen if they're all facing the same direction, but it's the wrong direction? Would they work?
No. In fact, if they're all facing, let's say, the opposite direction, you're going to have multiple slats that are not going to be able to operate.
Gotcha.
So we want to make sure that it's all facing in the same direction here.
Okay, so if you turn every slat on that blind in the wrong direction, it's not going to turn because it's at the end of its rotation already, right?
That's correct.
Right. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so what happens if, like, one of my kids or a dog goes through the blind and knocks a slat or two crooked? How do I fix that?
So if that is the case, so as you can see here, now one of them is looks a little crooked. So what you want to do is just keep on turning, and with the chain, you just want to kind of align it until it stops, and you want to do it in both directions. And now everything is going to be even.
Okay, so it's a self-aligning rail, so it'll line itself back up just by turning it.
That is correct.
Nice. Okay, so you don't have to reach up there with your hand and click it back or anything like that. You just line it back up.
That's correct.
Got it. Okay. All right, folks. So there you have it. If your vertical blind won't turn, or if the vanes are out of alignment, just make sure they're facing A, the right direction, B, they're all in the same direction, and C, if it's out of alignment, just close it in both directions with the chain. It'll line it right back up for you.